check it.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Sound good up there?
Yeah.
How's your monitor? Can you hear your monitor?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, we'll play a little bit of the track. You can tell me if you need more on the monitor.
Okay. Took my love and I took it down.
Yeah.
I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you. But time made you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. That sounds pretty good. Can you make it a little louder up here on the monitors?
Got no monitors.
Alright.
Try that.
Hello.
Sing a little more. Where are you in the song?
It's coming right out the song.
Oh, all right.
Well, I've been afraid of a little lower changing, 'cause I built my life around you. But time made you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. So we can take this love and take it down. If you find a mountain and you turn around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, will the landslide bring you down? And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring you down. Well, the landslide will bring you down.
Yeah. Woo! All right. Excellent.
That sounds perfect right now.
Can you give me the high line on the just the part where you go up?
Okay.
Just let's do it a cappella.